We've all stared at a blueprint like this. Just lines on a page. Unless you're an architect, it's impossible to know if your furniture will fit, if the flow is right, or if the room is simply too dark. To fix this, you normally need expensive CAD software and years of training. And for the solution, enters VibeSpace Architect. Built with the new Gemini 3.0 Pro, it transforms that static image into a fully immersive 3D world. In seconds, it's not just guessing. The AI applies Manhattan geometry rules to snap walls to a strict grid, ensuring straight lines and perfect corners. I can fly through the space using WASD keys, ascend with spacebar, and look around freely. But VibeSpace sees more than just walls. Notice how it identified these dividers as half walls, waist-high barriers, while keeping the bedroom walls full height? That is semantic understanding. And it has a brain. I can ask the AI architect, what is the square footage of the master bedroom? Gemini analyzes the parsed 3D coordinates in real time and gives me a mathematical answer. Not a hallucination. It knows the exact dimensions in feet and inches. With VibeSpace Architect, design is made more accessible. It takes the intuition of a human designer and combines it with the precision of AI. No installation, no manuals, just your dream home, visualized instantly.